Discord, Twitter. We're gonna be right back. Okay, I'll be right back.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Billions and billions and billions and billions and billions and billions and
Five, 3, 2, 1.
All right, everybody, welcome back. Hope everybody's good. If you're in the building, you can hear my voice. Hit me with a 222 and 333. Chat, let's try to get something going for tomorrow, man, or over the weekend. If you guys can see my screen, hit me. Twitter is good. I mean, Discord is good. Twitter, if you guys can see me, hit me. Let me just let everybody know on Twitter that we are live. Okay, coming off the AM session, to me, the AM session was good and frustrating. I did get very aggressive in front of you guys. I'm one of the very few people here that I'm one of the very few people that will execute in front of you. And one of the things that we did today, we saw this play. I saw the play, I called it out, A+. I actually added more, and one of the rules that I have when I started allocating such big size inside some of these positions is I put my stop below the candle that I added more on. Price came down, took my loss, took my candle that I added more on, stopped me out, and then ran to our targets. I got a lot of questions today about how I knew price will keep going higher. We'll break that down here in a bit. But let's go ahead and just break down continuation. So for now, we're going to turn off the executions because they're just going to get in the way. Um, and yeah, we'll keep going. All right. So we took previous day's high. Just want to clean this up here. All right, so we took previous day's high already. So again, if I want to be looking for anything higher, I want to be looking for price to go to this high here, which is that 23.13 area. So that 23.13 area is where I'm going to be looking for if price continues to go higher. Going down to the 1 hour chart. And this is how I knew price was pretty much ready to explode. Sit down and watch this, okay? So price had a bullish context because we were sitting inside this daily order block here, right? This yellow box is your daily order block. This is what we call a dominant range. That high, this low. We had a new day opening gap, and with a sweep of that low, we wicked that low. We call that a golden sweep. So when we wick that low, the next probability is that high, because if we run sell side, more than likely we're going to deliver buy side. So we're going to go from this low to that high, and then in the session of delivery, we already bagged and tagged it. So since we bagged and tagged it, let's just go ahead and just be honest with everybody here. Everybody's listening. Hit me with a 444 if you're listening right now. If you're paying attention to what I'm saying to you, hit me with a 444. If you can hear me and listening to actively what I'm saying, hit me with a 444. The likelihood of me seeing a trade right now in this particular session is very low. And I say that because we've already taken this low and then we delivered this high. What else is the market going to do? And if we're going to see if the market's going to continue to go higher, we're going to be targeting this high. Do we get this high in this particular session? It can happen, but likely it's not going to happen because we've already got most of that movement. Okay. And so because we got most of that movement, price has extended from this moving average. I can just assume that price will be a bit more choppier here inside of this PM session. We do have red folder news tomorrow. So again, I am not looking for too much action out of this PM session. So again, looking to go Next target up will be these highs here. Will be this high and this high here. These are our two highs for the PM session if we're going to go ahead and deliver. We're going to go down to a 15-minute chart. Going back to the 1 hour chart. This whole thing right here is a leg of expansion. Okay. So because we got this leg of expansion with no retracement, we don't have an LAF range yet. We just have a distribution leg higher. This is the 15-minute chart. All right, I just want to go ahead and see the 5-minute chart. Keep the music in the background going. All right, so for me, this is for the people that are a part of my team and you don't understand LAF. And these are my concept, not ICT concepts. This is going to be the A leg break. This is the B leg retracement because we took it back. So therefore, I don't have an alpha C yet. I only have a B leg retracement open. Okay, so again, we took this high, so I can't entertain a short back to this B leg retracement here. This is my alpha B leg retracement. So I would love to see price pull back into this alpha B area and then go higher. Okay, so to support that, I'll be looking for any type of 15-minute framework higher. So inside of this alpha B zone, we do have a 15-minute area, right? There's two of them, so technically it's right here. But this right here is my 15-minute. Busy. Okay. So what I'm going to prefer, and this could be sell side too as well. We'll drop down to the 1. So what I'm going to prefer in this particular session will be short-term bear bias, looking for a move lower to go higher. This is what I'm expecting. This is what I would like to see. Okay. Let's see, what time is it now? You're in the 20 to 40 macro. We're about to approach that right now. And again, I will execute in front of you if I can find me a good play. Have to find me a good play though. All right. So this is my execution macro. Let's go 50 to 10 here. If I'm not in a play by the 50 to 10 macro, I'm done. So I will be concluding the session here at 310. Big shout outs to everybody here on Twitter that's showing up. I do appreciate you and your support. Pretty much on the day. Now, results for the day for me are a little mixed. It's very difficult at times to trade both your personal account and multiple different prop firm accounts. It can be challenging. So my personal account did get tagged out. We'll go over the play here. Again, me personally, I value transparency. So I hope you can appreciate me being transparent, even though, I was on such a big win streak. I was on a huge win streak, and then I just took a loss. So the play was this particular inversion gap, right? We were playing this inversion gap. Just do a different chart for the 1 hour chart. Because coming into the day, we knew we took this low. This was liquidity sweep. We knew we was going to come back to this high. I was saying 23.49 for a very long time in the AM session, and price delivered that. Just because you know where price is going to go doesn't mean it's going to give you the best of the best entries, and price action is going to be very clean. So after price tagged this IFEG, as you can see here, I was able to get in on this particular entry. I added a small amount, 15 contracts, and these are minis. These ain't macros. This ain't the smaller ones. But I added more here. So at this point, I had 30 cons on. Okay. So when we retested the gap inside of this BPR, I thought this is the area we were going to go. So I have my stop at the bottom of this wick because this is the candle of the re-add. And when I re-add on a candle, I'm going to have max size. My original stop loss for this particular play is down here. I am not trading no micro contracts. I am trading a big amount of size here. I'm not going to hold a position from 906 to 842 with that type of size on. Price comes in, takes the bottom of the candle, takes me out. Now my prop account, again, I will display Top Step here in a second. But with my Top Step account, I was able to. No, I'm sorry. This was my funded futures today. With that particular account, I was able to hold on to it because here, when I got in here, I got in five and I held five all the way to the target, which was that high. And I sold most at that target. And unfortunately, here on the way down, it stopped me out. So on the prop account, I am nice and green, but my live account, I am red. Okay. But guess what? I'm still green on the month, green on the week, not green on the week. Week just started, but green on the month, and that's all that pretty much for me particularly matters. Okay, and that's all it is, man. It's all about coming in and executing your plan and accepting the result, and more importantly, the thing I want to teach and talk to people about. It's about having emotional control. Can you emotionally be undependent upon the outcome of your trade? Can you be at a place where you could just theoretically trade the chart in front of you and not care about the result? When you get to that place, you become profitable. So, anybody got any questions while we sit here and wait? Again, I would love to answer any questions that anybody has. This is more of a laid back stream because I doubt that we will get any type of actionable plays yet. We are inside of a PD array, so we'll see this 15-minute can hold. We did take this. Let's draw this candle high and low. Let's see. Let's see this candle's high and low. We tagged it here. 20 above the 200. Still don't like it though. We've come up so much. I actually wanted to pull back. You had a small inversion here. We extended so price could come back. Let's change the settings on this. Somebody call it, pick a color. Somebody pick a color. Somebody type out a color in the chat room. I guess I'm about to do line with breaks. Blue? Okay, we got a blue EMA here. Oh, hell no. Okay, we'll leave it like that. I want them to take this low. That's gonna be my alpha B retrace. Anybody got any questions, guys? We are gonna do our best to complete lesson 4 this Sunday. The over the weekend, last weekend is just got personal life got a little chaotic. Questions does everybody have? Anybody got any questions? What's up, Mongly? All right. In the meantime, guys, we're getting the we got the TRIL tag back. Everybody be sure to add the TRIL tag. Everybody hit me with 555. Got it. Trisha, re-up it. Jack, Trisha, come on. Jack, let's try to do like when would you be free between 3 and 4, Jack? I know you're busy today, but maybe tomorrow. All right, back in this inversion gap. But this is a lot of low resistance liquidity here. All right. So trend line issue here. This is a B plus trade idea as to get short here. B plus. I'm actually not even going to call a trade idea here because I don't have a sweep of anything to the high side. ES. Um, Looks like we are going to try to go back high side. All right. So anybody that's hold on. Um, Not ignoring you, Maze. All right. So anybody that likes this idea and this has a sweep, this is a potential breaker setup here. We'll put 15-minute. Taking the low, you do have a PD array. This is technically all a PD array. So this is 15-minute framework. So you can take this low and deliver this high. You have to buy here. I'm gonna take a stab at it. I'm in it. Not sure why. Sell one. I'm in one. Okay, I got an issue. Won't let me throw a stop on. Oh, it's right here. I'm confused on why it won't let me. What the? I had a small issue, but all good. Honestly, though, I want it up here. I hope it lets me out. I hope it lets me out. That's all I gotta say. All right, I'm long. You long with me? Hit me to triple three. Moneymaker, make sure you get the trill tag. Trill tag, baby girl. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to call you baby girl, but trill tag. Trill, baby, trill. That's what I was thinking in my head. Trill, baby, trill. Then that's all you. That's what popped up. My bad. All right, everybody, peep the main chat. I know I'm getting. I was asked about this earlier today. I'm gonna throw this here. Be slow. End of the day. As long as we stay above, again, on the chart here, the blue line, big shout outs. Who said blue? Was it Slink? The blue line is the 21 EMA. As long as we stay above 21 EMA, I'm holding. Oh man. In the meantime, I just want to give big shout outs to what credit to do. I'm gonna stop sharing here. I'm actually going to just share my whole screen here. Twitter is going to have a little bit. Twitter can not really move, but as we are going through the chat, watching this trade, if you go into the chat room, big shout outs for the community. This is Bubba. Bubba, for a new member with us, but great trade from you, Bubba, on the inversion. You see, you get your real cash. Big shout out to Real Cash inside of the chat room, requesting another payout. Great job. And the big plays I want to say is from Swank. Swank's a new member. If you guys look inside the main chat, you see Swank posting his execution. And we want to give a big round of applause to Slay Trader hitting his first 20K day. I think that he posted it in the other channel. But guys, we lose a 21. Hold on. We lose a 21. I'm off the straight. Still above it, or any close below the breaker. I want to get out. Current time 52. 16 seconds left in the play. We got a wick here. So let's see. Still in play. Still in play. You'll see Price get up out of this breaker. Still in the play. We just got close to a closure below the breakers. Just be on it. All right, close below here. I want to get out. Did not close below. All right, back in the green. Sometimes on these plays, you just gonna have to wait, man. People so anxious when they get the play. Yo, it gotta go up. It's red candle. You don't see this red candle? Next thing you know, you gotta play. Not to say you won't take any losses, but like it's more about like having a plan. Again, we teach you a plan. Have a plan in the area and the edge, and you put your orders and stops in place. You know, when markets at that point, that's all you can control. All you can control is your entry. All you can control is your entries, your stop loss placement, and take profit placement. Uh-oh. Time is it? 2. Oh, they still wicked inside. This is choppy. This is their only attempt to go. Very choppy here. Back in the green. About to be. All right, watching this play, and she's ugly right now. Little side play. Are we gonna go this time? Still long. Hit me the 333. We'll probably get it here. This is a pin, choppy pin. Closest AM. And it's still riding that 20. Oh, nothing, man. Nothing at all, bro. Let's go. Come on. Anybody got any questions while we're waiting on this? Yeah, so people don't think I'm playing around. Y'all can see my screen here. This is one of our traders, Slay. Let's go ahead and find them. Slay, if you do the math there, that's about $20,000 worth of gains. Big shout outs to our member Slay. Something that I just wanted to point out, member of the TRIL program, punching in $20,000 a day. Is that situational thing, right, man? Let's see what you think. You said that this didn't take out the low. Breaker mitigation block. Right, man, you're a lot better than what you think you are. All right, I'm liking this, but like we've been through the ringer. I'll give it one last opportunity. Are we gonna deliver or what we gonna do, kiddo? Ugly. We got to shift structure, so we should continue.
El chakra es un camión de remolque.
Yeah, 50. Look at Swank, man. Swank, you only been here a couple days, man. Slow down, bro. Over here talking about 50 to 10 macro, like he done watched all the lessons and shit. I give it a B. It ain't like that AM setup that got me out, got me all fucked up. Guys, it is ugly here. I'm gonna take off 10. Sorry. Am I lagging? So I got 5 on. So I got 5 on across the board in small profit. Ugly on the 20. We get below this 20. Still in it a bit.
Timpani Beats. Timpani Beats.
Still got my little 5 on. Ugly. Ugly. Bright man, answer. This rain cheers, but I'm attacking. Damn, ugly. I do. Right, man. The issue was that I saw it as A plus tier 3, and I wasn't exactly prepared for it. That's why I missed the first entry. Again, me making some mistakes. If I got that original entry, I would have been okay. You know what I mean? That's just the downside of trying to size up. And when you size up and it works, it's phenomenal. You're like, yeah, yeah, I'm the man. Sizing up and it's working out. But man, as soon as something go left or right, you're like, all right, here we go. Gonna get delivery. Let's get that delivery. Who's waiting on delivery with me?
Victory.
Because I am. Hold on.
AG. AG.
My bad, guys. I'm just texting, waiting on price to go. Simple stuff here.
AG.
What a comeback. All right. I'm gonna put my stop right here. This is all it's gonna get. Remember, I did scale out. I did scale out, right? So from here to here, I'm not gonna be right on the trade.
Beat that motherfucker up, quoi. Yeah.
Do that shit.
Yeah, everybody in the team that's here, man. I appreciate you and your support. Just want to tell you that. #1 team, man. Never seen a team so good, bro.
Kids. Purchase your track today. Keys.
Guys, we just waiting.
Keys. Purchase
Ah,
your
this is
track
slow trade.
today.
This is my last trade, man. Right up pop.
Keys.
They should deliver range high, honestly. If you're not in the play and you want to get in, watch this inversion here. Good team. Shaq, man, let me know when you free between 3 and 4.
Keys.
I'm putting my stop at break even. You got an inversion here. All right, I got my last 5 on. It's gonna wait. Uh-oh. Are we gonna get target 1? I'm just gonna put my stop at target 1. You heard me? Stops is gonna go to target 1. So will we go? Will we go? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, so let's see. Come on, slow trade. Slow trade. Guys, you on We Stream watching us. We just chilling. We inside this trade. We watching. Got in over here. Got it over here. Sold most of it over here. Just super slow. Looking for it to go there. We'll just wait. Right. Got a little bit of an up move. So if you missed the entry I got in on, or you can get in here. It gets above it. It's being an asshole. Okay, okay. Gonna deliver that last high. Chat. Let me know which day you're free between 3 and 4. There's an entry here. That's your entry 2. Wicking out the entry 2. Tomorrow 3 to 4 chat. We'll do it. We'll have a meeting. Felt the inversion. My stops at break even. Maybe we'll bounce back again. Who knows? Still got the range high above. We're just chilling. Break even hit. Wait for one in the PM session. Take what you can get, boys and gals. Well, that's pretty much it for me. Anybody got any questions? I went for one here in the PM session. We'll keep it open inside of the Discord, but Twitter, we're done. See you later, Twitter. See you for the next stream. Easy. In the Discord, we'll hang out. I'm not doing anything.